This bit on share bonus issues is sponsored by Examinator Online, the platform to go to for SFC exam practice questions. Now, share bonus issues are often examined with numerical questions, which some candidates find challenging. This bit shows you a proven efficient way to answer these questions. Now, what is a share bonus issue? It's an issue of new shares to existing shareholders at no cost. It's exactly as it sounds. It's a bonus issue, and if you're an accountant, it is the capitalization of reserves. Let's look at an example to see how the numbers work. Renko has 200,000 shares in issue. How many bonus shares will be granted, and how many total shares will there be if the arrangement is okay? If it's 1-for-1, you have 200,000 shares, a 1-for-1, you're going to issue a further 200,000 shares, and that will result in total shares of 400,000. If it was a 1-for-5, for every 5 shares, you would issue 1 bonus share. 200,000 divided by 5 gives us 40,000. 40,000 plus the 200,000 initially in issue gives you total shares of 240,000. If it was a 1-for-10 issue, then for every 10, you would get 1 bonus share. 200,000 divided by 10 is 20,000. 20,000 plus the 200 gives us 200,000. Now, a 2-for-1 is very generous. For every share you hold, you get 2. So that would be 400,000 shares. You got 200,000, it's 2-for-1, you double 400,000. Add that to the original 200,000, you have 600,000. Now, a 5-for-2, now we're getting a wee bit complex. Divide the 200,000 by 2, you get 100,000. 5 shares will be issued to the 100,000 shareholders. So that gives us 500,000 new shares issued plus the 200,000, total shares of 700,000. They can ask a question where they give the arrangement and ask you either for the number of shares issued or for the total shares after the issue. And it's a simple arithmetic procedure. Let's look at a question which is asking about share price. Paul holds 400 shares, I should say, in Beatles Corporation when a 1-for-4 bonus issue is announced. Now, we know that we take the 400 shares, divide by 4 to get the number of shares that would be issued. But there is a shortcut that we introduced in the share rights issue bit, and we're going to use it here. If the price of Paul's shares immediately after the bonus issue is $4.40, what is the share price immediately before the share issue? Now, if you arrive at this in the exam cold, it may take you some time to work out what is going on and to come up with the correct answer. If you use the template we introduced in the share rights issue question, it is very straightforward. So shares issued, price per share, total value. As ever, we don't necessarily need to write the narrative down, but if you practice these questions enough, all you'll do is write the numbers down quickly. The original, well, let's go for 4. It's a 1-for-4 bonus issue. Let's just boil it down to a tranche of 4 shares. What was the original price per share? That's what we're being asked. We don't know. So we can't fill that in yet. The bonus issue is 1 share for the 4 that existed previously. Price per share was a bonus issue. Price per share is 0. The total value is 0. Where is this going? Well, total shares issued are 5 after the bonus issue. And we know from the question that after the bonus issue, the price is $4.40 per share. So the 5 shares held after the bonus issue, $4.40 each, a total value of $22. Now, if the bonus issue is for 0, which it always will be, that means that the total value of the original 4 shares must be $22. Now, to calculate the price per share before the bonus issue, we take the total value before the issue of $22 divide by the original 4 shares, and there is our answer, $5.50. So if you come across these types of questions, any type of question with the rights issue or bonus issue, where they give you numeric examples, then write down this template as fast as you can. Fill in all the bits that you are aware of, and then arrive at the missing item, which will be the answer. And as with all questions, you should practice. And there are plenty of share bonus issue questions on Examinator Online.